Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to embed code in Wix. This is wix.com website, and first I will log in to my account. Now that I'm inside my Wix account, click on this edit site, and if in your case you have multiple websites, you can select the one or the interesting one from this list. Click on this edit site button to go into the Wix website editor. To embed code in this page, it's simple. Just go to this add elements icon and scroll down to embed code, click on it and select embed HTML. As you can see, a new element is added to your page. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Wix today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Wix, basic website editing, embedding content like how to embed a YouTube video on a Wix website, exporting and importing, removing and resetting like how to remove Wix ads from your website for free, restoring and transferring, for example, how to restore a Wix website, how to take a backup, Wix features like how to use Wix AI website builder, adding content and features, e-commerce and store setup, sharing and collaboration, saving and deleting, like how to save a website as PDF, also how to delete a website on Wix or a Wix web account, marketing and SEO, and advanced features like how to deliver a Wix website to a client. There are also other categories like templates and customization, and how to make your Wix website responsive and fit all screens. If you want to get access to all of this today for free, and also my other free online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. As you can see, a new element is added to your page. Now embed your code in this field. For this video, I will embed a YouTube code. This is my embed code. Paste it just like that and hit this update button. Close this window. You can resize your embed code block just like that. And after all, don't forget to hit the publish button on this corner to not lose your editing. Now let's view my website live. And this is how to embed code in Wix. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.